Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on the Baseus CCCJG30CS Super C Pro Fast Charger. About this product. Specifications. Content. Charging. This product is a dual-port, Type-C plus USB 30 watts fast charger using a new type of semiconductor material, super silicon. The maximum output power of the Type-C single port can reach 30 watts, 20 volts equals 1.5A. It is equipped with Baseus's leading BPS2 power distribution technology. Both ports are fast charging when used separately. The product supports PD 3.0, QC 3.0, Apple 2.4, BC 1.2, and other fast charging protocols, as well as PD fast charging for most mobile phones including new IP phones and tablets. The product has built-in multiple safety protection circuits such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and temperature protection. Features. Warnings. Please read all instructions and warnings before using this product. Improper usage may cause product damages or safety hazards. Electronic information. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.